Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the best mechanical keyboards for 2023. Ready to experience best-in-class typing, a mechanical keyboard delivers the feel and feedback that ordinary keyboards lack. Here is how to buy the right one plus our top tested picks. So, by definition, a mechanical keyboard is a keyboard that uses an individual spring and mechanical switch under each key. While older users may have fond memories of the classic buckling spring switches on their IBM Model M keyboards, today's mechanical keyboards come in dozens of different flavors with a variety of key switches that suit just about every occasion and preference, whether you are playing a hectic FPS, writing the next great American novel, or manipulating numbers in a spreadsheet. The springiness, the satisfying click clack with every key press, a mechanical keyboard should have it all, and that's what our selection below of the best mechanical keyboards we have tested reflects with our top choices for gaming, office use, budget buyers, ergonomics, and more. Read on for our favorites, followed by a deep dive guide to how to choose the right board for you. Our top tested picks. Our number one is Razer Pro Type Ultra. You might recognize the Razer Pro Type Ultra if you have checked out our best keyboard roundup. But there is no denying the Razer Pro Type Ultra is an excellent pick for mechanical keyboard users and enthusiasts. The keyboard's wide paint job looks gorgeous on just about any tabletop, and once you put it to use, you will quickly understand why it's our top pick. Razer Yellow switches, the company's fastest and quietest, deliver a satisfying linear typing feel. Meanwhile, its sculpted soft touch keys, ink feet, and wrist rest provide ample comfort. Its pros: Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless controls up to 4 devices, extremely comfortable for fast typing, as quiet as a mechanical keyboard, gets bright backlight, cushioned wrist rest. Its cons: pricey as befits a wireless mechanical board. Synapse 3 software requires registration, contains ads, Windows only, not Mac OS. Drop ENTR mechanical keyboard. Who says you have to spend top dollar for a mechanical keyboard? Drop delivers one of our favorite mechanical keyboards for less than $100. And who can say no to that? A sleek, compact 10 keyless design complemented by Gatron yellow key switches make the Drop ENTR the perfect entry-level mechanical keyboard for those looking to dip their fingertips into the key switch pool and see what the hype is all about. The next is Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT. The RGB, the macros, the volume roller, the Corsair K95 RGB Platinum XT gaming keyboard is a mouthful of a name, but more important, it's a monster of a board.